To share a form, go to the workspace. Pick the dashboard with the form you'd like to share. Click on the Edit Form to open the Forms editor. Now click on the Share button. Here you have few tabs. Let's go through all of them. You can either share the form's URL straight away or change the slug, aka the ending of the URL. To do so, just type the preferred slug in the tab. Make sure they're all lowercase letters and use the hyphen instead of space. You can also customize the link with your own custom domain. This will remove the first part of the URL. As for the access management, here is where you define who has access to viewing and editing responses you get from the form. Essentially, it's the access to the dashboard. Members can have different access levels. To view those levels, after selecting the team member, select the options from the drop-down arrow. Note: to be able to add a new member, they have to be part of your workspace members. You can access them from your profile icon and clicking on Workspace Members. Depending on your account plan, you'll be able to add team members from here. We will cover this topic in detail in another video. If you want the form to be embedded on your website, click on Embed tab. You have 4 options: embed as a link, iframe, script, and a chatbot. All you need to do is copy the code we create for you and paste it on your website. To preview what the embedded form will look like, scroll down. And that's it!